I'm Raffi. I'm one of the VUnited Scholars, and we're at the lawyer's office, and we're with the guy.
You have to ask him his name.
What's your name?
Michael Connolly.
Michael Conley. What is your field of practice?
So I do education law, so I represent families of students with disabilities and the students themselves in a variety of education matters. And these are kids that are in preschool through high school. And it's most of the matters involve special education programming and whether their program is appropriate for them and meeting their needs. But sometimes we're doing things like harassment or bullying issues that might come up for those kids, or if they get hurt at school, sometimes we're doing some cases about them getting injured, or sometimes there's discipline issues where they might be getting suspended or expelled from school, so we're also representing them in those kinds of matters.
How have the lawyer for people with special needs?
So they've changed over the years, the laws for people with special needs, and things have gotten a lot more complex today than they were a long time ago, and some of that is because the laws themselves changed, but a lot of it has to do, I think, with the litigation and the lawsuits that have occurred over the years. So I think as a result of those lawsuits, school districts have gotten better in the services that they provide to students. So things are a little bit more complex now than they were back then. But they've progressed, I think, in the right direction for kids with disabilities.
Is this a mock interview room?
It's a mock courtroom, yes. So we do a few things here. We let sometimes the high schools, they participate in what they call mock trial competition, which is where they're given a set of facts and they do a whole trial and they try and win the trial. So we'll let them use the mock courtroom here to practice in. And our own attorneys, when we're getting ready for a case, may use the room to practice making arguments and things like that. So yes, it's a mock courtroom. And
how many of these courtrooms are based? Where else are you guys based? Only here or where else?
No, so this is our main office here in Berwyn, Pennsylvania, but we have offices in Scranton, Pennsylvania. We have attorneys towards the middle, like in the Reading, Wyomissing, Pennsylvania area, out in Pittsburgh, so for the western part of the state, as well as in Delaware and Washington, D.C.
Okay. This is Raffi, and I'm a VUnited Scholar. We're at McAndrews Law Firm office, and we're here to interview Allie. How long have you been here, and how long does it take you to set everything up for the lawyers and everything?
So I have been working here filing since I was a little girl, but in the marketing position I've been in this position for about 12 years. So I run a lot of our social media accounts. I do a lot of our website maintenance.
Yes.
So our website, I like to help grow it. I add a lot of content that our attorneys do, whether it be articles or whether it be a court case they might have won. We get a lot of content for our website to build it up. And that goes hand in hand with social media. So I kind of do both together, doing a lot of maintenance for both our social media accounts and our website.
So which social media, like Instagram, Facebook, and so on?
You know it.
That's
Facebook, we have a Facebook account, Instagram, we have a YouTube account that we're trying to grow just like everyone else, really, with adding more content and stuff that we are passionate about and our good news. That's what I like to do, is spread our good news.
That's great.
We usually don't spread bad news, so we like to get awareness out there of what's going on with us here. So.
But like if you're sick or someone's sick, do you have like backup people who hear?
Well, luckily with the virtual world right now, I could work from home if I was sick. We also have a lot of staff. Each attorney at our office has a staff member, so
That's
we all
nice.
help each other out, of course, yeah. When someone, if someone's ever sick or has a time off or something like that.
How many people in this team here total?
So we have close to 30 if you count attorneys and staff, our tech, marketing, interns. It's usually right about that. So yeah, and we, like I had mentioned, we have offices throughout Pennsylvania.
Yes.
This is our main office here in Berlin.
So this is your hub.
This is our hub, and that's the word I like to use myself. This is our hub. But we have offices throughout PA, Delaware, and Washington, D.C. My older sister is actually an attorney for our law firm, and she runs our Washington, D.C. office.
So she's the tech there?
She's actually a lawyer down there, so
Wow.
she takes cases down in the Virginia area.
That's cool.
Yeah, she does a great job, as does everyone on our team,
Yeah.
I feel like.